Welcome to another Simple Dad Threads tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to post a photo or a video on a Threads post. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So you're new to Thread and you want to post a video or a photo, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Threads app. Now to post a video or a photo, you want to go ahead and tap on the new Threads icon here at the bottom center. This will now open up the new Threads window. Go ahead and start typing what you want to post. Next, just below your text, you'll see this paperclip icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now from here, this will open up your photo library on your phone. From the screen, you can go ahead and select a photo or a video. So your video will show up a duration of that video at the bottom right of that thumbnail. A photo will just show up as a normal photo. So to post it, you want to go ahead and tap on the screen, then tap on Add. Now if you want to post multiple photos and videos, you can go ahead and select multiple thumbnails. The maximum number of photos or videos you can select is 10. To deselect, just tap on it again, and that will deselect the image or video. Now to add that to your post, go ahead and tap on Add at the top right. This will now add the image to your Threads post. Once you're happy with this, go ahead and tap on Post, and this will post your threads with that image you have selected from your photo library. So there you go, that is how to post a photo or a video on a Threads post. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.